ஜெய் சாய்ராம். என் பேர் ஸ்ரீனிவாசன். நான் இந்த வண்டலூர் வழித்துணை பாபா கோயில்கிட்ட தான் வீடு இருக்குது எனக்கு. நான் இந்த கோயிலுக்கு ஒரு 7-8 வருஷமாக வந்துட்டுருக்கேன். ரொம்ப எனக்கு என் மனசுக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்ச கோயில் அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். ஏன்னா நான் என்னோடய ஏஜில் நிறைய ட்ராவல் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். நான் நிறைய இடத்துல காசி டு கன்னியாகுமரின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. காசியும் பார்த்துருக்கேன், கன்னியாகுமரியும் பார்த்துருக்கேன். எல்லா ஊருக்கு போனேன், எல்லா சாமிங்க, நிறைய சாமிங்க பார்த்துருக்கேன். இருந்தாலும் கான்ஸ்டண்ட்டாக ஒரு கண்டினியூஸாக போகணும் கோயிலுக்கு, மறுபடியும் போகணும் அப்படின்னு ஒரு மனசுக்கு சொல்லி இந்த கோயிலுக்கு, இந்த வழித்துணை பாபா கோயிலுக்கு நான் 7 வருஷமாக கான்ஸ்டண்ட்டாக வந்துட்டுருக்கேன். மன நிம்மதியாக இருக்குது, சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது. நினச்சது நடக்குது இந்த கோயிலில். அது ஆண்டவன் செயல், நான் செய்த பாக்கியமோ இல்லை இந்த கோயிலோட அந்த பவரும் அது தெரியல எனக்கு. பட் somehow things are going well, the right direction and everything is becoming possible, which is not possible at times. Many things that looks impossible, next to impossible they look, but I have seen in my experience in this temple after the visit of 7 years, I found many things which are not possible or which were not possible at all. Those things also happened in my life. Especially I must say that the trip to UK, the 8 countries in UK in 2017, and then one visit to USA in 2018 were all to say it was a wonderful thing for me, which I never thought that it will happen to me. But it happened in this temple. After I came here, I have been visiting this temple. There is some power in this temple. There is existing, which people when they come here, they feel like coming again and again and they want to have a darshan of this Baba temple. So this way, this temple is very famous. Those who have been coming here, they have been coming time and again, and those who have not come, we only tell them, please do come here and visit once this temple. You will have your own experience about this temple, and with some changes you will see in your life here after coming this temple. And here here the special thing that is not happening in any other temples anywhere in India, I can say that here people, those who are not able to conceive even after several years of the marriage, the happy life, we say that even after the happy married life, those who are not able to conceive children, even after going to the doctors, visiting them and taking the advice, following the doctor's instructions, those who are not able to conceive for more than 15-20 years also, such people, they come here. And there is one lemon a madam here offers them as a prasadam of Baba, and this is given for the continuously for the 9 weeks. And later, those couples, there are cases where more than 1,000 people have conceived children and they became mothers, which is a very great thing which has not been seen anywhere in any part of the, even I can say the world. I have not heard by so far like that. So this is the very great thing that this temple has got here. So we only tell the people that please do come, you get your problems solved, especially problems of childless mothers facing this problem. Those have been left out by the doctors, unable to treat them or unable to help them in conceiving. Such cases, please come here. You are not spending any money for here. We will not be demanding any money for you. It is only completely service oriented, the temple here. we offer the free service for you and you can take the benefit of this special people, those who are not able to conceive it. And then comes Guruji Sai Ramji has one healing process. He does it for the people, those who are in distress, those who are in problems, those who are leading a miserable life or unpeaceful life or financial crisis, whatever it is in anybody's life. We do have a lot of problems from many corners. We do get it. So such problems here, the Guruji has got some healing process system here. With that healing, he does it, and the people get remedy for that. They have been getting remedy for it. Their problems are being solved by this healing process that is done by Ramji. So I tell the people, I want to tell you all people, please do get this benefit from this Vaidyanatha Baba temple, and you will see wonders happening with your life. That is definite, I can say that one. So please, wherever you are all there, you try to take one visit to this Vandalur, which is very on the main road of the GST road, which you can easily approachable temple here. You can come and visit us. The temple is open right from the morning 6 o'clock, 6 to 6:30 and to 10 o'clock in the night, every day throughout the month and the year 365 days. Today, especially the Pongal day, we are now celebrating the new year with the new first Pongal. So we wish all the devotees of Baba that you all lead a peaceful, a very peaceful life and very jolly life, and your comfort life, whatever you say in the life, whatever you desire, you get it in this year, what has not been got earlier. So this is what I wanted to tell you people, that what I got from this temple, everyone should, you also should get it, and that is possible only when you come here, you see the temple, you visit the temple, and pray the God. Definitely your problems, your issues, your difficulties, all will be taken care of by the Baba. Wish you good luck, happy Baba. Jai Sai Ram, Jai Sai Ram, Jai Sai Ram.